black hole is a very exotic and enigmatic object. These are objects that appear in science fiction movies, these are objects that have appeared in books, and the idea that once you pass into a black hole, you can never escape. For physicists, for astrophysicists, black holes present an opportunity to understand whether a fundamental prediction of general relativity that was made by Einstein just over 100 years ago is actually correct. And that is the existence of a phenomenon or of an object called a singularity. This is an object that is extremely massive but contained within an infinitely small point in space. So the LMT is built on the summit of volcano Sierra Negra, which is a volcano with an altitude of 4,600 meters that lies on the boundary of the Mexican state of Puebla and Veracruz. And the reason to build the LMT on this site is because of the quality of the atmospheric conditions above this location. It's critically important in millimeter wavelength astronomy that we can undertake observations in conditions that have the smallest amount of water vapor in the atmosphere above the telescope. And typically this can be achieved by building telescopes in the highest and coldest places on the planet. So trying to understand the nature of black holes and actually prove the existence of black holes and also test the theory of general relativity under some of the most extreme physical conditions in the universe has been a long-time goal of a project called the Event Horizon Telescope. And so this is a project that has developed over the last decade and has brought together a number of telescopes that can contribute to this single project. And the purpose here is to connect all of the major submillimeter, millimeter wavelength telescopes in the world in such a way that they can simultaneously observe a supermassive black hole. We are making the very first observations of two supermassive black holes. One that is in the center of our galaxy and one that is in a very nearby galaxy called M87. And the purpose of these observations is to combine all of these telescopes and produce a single image, a photograph, for the very first time of a black hole with the opportunity to actually identify the black hole shadow.